Hello, welcome to Ababil Math World. Today we are going to solve a very interesting exponential equation. So here it is given p plus 1 by q whole to the power of p times p minus 1 by q whole to the power of q divided by q plus 1 by p whole to the power of p times q minus 1 by p whole to the power of q is equal to p by q whole to the power of x. Then we have to find the value of x in terms of p and q. So to solve this problem, here we can just simplify in this way. So multiplying p and q, so it becomes p times q plus 1 divided by q whole to the power of p times pq minus 1 by q whole to the power of q divided by, in the similar way, it is pq plus 1 by p whole to the power of p into pq minus 1 by p whole to the power of q is equal to p by q whole to the power of x we have. So now separating the power separately, we can write the power for this one. So here we get pq plus 1 whole to the power of p divided by q to the power of p times pq minus 1 whole to the power of q by q to the power of q divided by this one pq plus 1 whole to the power of p by p to the power of p times pq minus 1 whole to the power of q divided by p to the power of q. So here is equal to p by q whole to the power of x. We have got a double fraction of the type a by b by c by d. Then we can write a by b into d by c. So the second fraction becomes its reciprocal and we can multiply the first numerator and the denominator. So here rewriting this one. So we have pq plus 1 whole to the power of p by q to the power of p times pq minus 1 whole to the power of q divided by q to the power of q. So now when we write into here, the second fraction which is in the denominator becomes its reciprocal. So here we have p to the power of p by pq plus 1 whole to the power of p into p to the power of q divided by pq minus 1 whole to the power of q is equal to p by q whole to the power of x we have. So this pq plus 1 whole to the power of p with pq plus 1 whole to the power of p we can cancel, and pq minus 1 whole to the power of q and pq minus 1 whole to the power of q can be cancelled. So here in the numerator we have p to the power of p into p to the power of q. That becomes p to the power of p plus q, and in the denominator q to the power of p into q to the power of q becomes q to the power of p plus q is equal to p by q whole to the power of x. And finally here the same power is present on both p and q, so we can write p by q whole to the power of p plus q is equal to p by q whole to the power of x. P by q and p by q, the bases are same on both sides, so therefore here we have got x is equal to p plus q. So if you like, the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.